Hi, I'm Rich. I'm the service tech with Trim-A-Seal, and today we're going to talk about changing the valance. If you want to take it out for the winter time, there's little stoppers that go in the ends if you have the Pro model only. And you take a little Allen wrench, take out this stopper, and then your valance will slide out or slide back in. And then when you're done, just put your stopper back in there and tighten it up with your Allen wrench. With the standard models, it's going to have a different style cap on the end. It's not going to have this crank. So there's going to be 3 Phillips screws you can pull out. Just take the cap off, and then you'll be able to slide your valance in or out.